Welcome to Excitement Technology. I'm your host, Mark. So have you ever been cutting with an angle grinder or a hacksaw and you just could not get the cut straight, but you wish, man, if I had a chop saw, I could make these cuts perfectly straight? Well, today, I have a solution for you. So right here, I have a chop saw. It's meant for wood, so it has the metal cutting, wood cutting blade on it. So what we're going to do today is turn this into a metal cutting machine. So right here, I have a abrasive disc meant for cutting metal with a chop saw. It's a 10-inch with a 5/8 inch arbor in it, and it should fit perfectly on that saw. So let's do it. So there you go. Now you know how to convert your wood cutting saw into a metal cutting machine. So $5 of material, 5 minutes of time, and you have something that will cut incredible amounts of metal at incredible speeds. Thanks for watching Excitement Technology. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time.